from Panasonic, the DMC-LC50. Tiny compact with a 1 by 2.5 inch CCD sensor and with a CD inside. Look at this. Actually it hasn't, but it looks like there's one of those old 8 centimeter CDs here. I guess it's just some extra headroom for the optical viewfinder, but it looks a bit quirky and cool. One of those old CD Mavica or Mavica from Sony that recorded images on the CD. The LC50 was released in 2004, making it 20 years old as I'm speaking. A highlight is obviously the Leica-branded lens. It has some hit single stickers here and the branding to show off. Question is, does it really give you Leica vibes when it comes to the images? I took the Leica Lumix all the way to Finland, but the main sample shots were taken at IKEA in Haparanda, just across the border. But before showing those, let's take a closer look at its design. Here you can see it compared to the Queen of Hearts, a magic mouse, and my Tamron lens cap. It's all plastic but wants to be metal. That's a decent grip, being such a small camera. Once again, highlight stickers on the front. Not only showcase the camera features, but also add a bit of hype to the overall vibe. I mean, how can anybody not like Leica? Easy access to functions like exposure compensation. Let's see what's on the menu. We have the white balance, ISO goes up to 400, picture size, quality, spot metering mode, the usual. But I have two ways of tweaking the tone of the image, which are interesting. It's the color effect. I have cool, warm, or black and white. You can also turn it off, of course. And the picture adjustment. Natural, standard, or vivid color. LC50 is convenient. It runs on 2 AA batteries, IKEA batteries. You can use Varta also. Also uses SD cards like any modern camera. Just be sure to use standard SD cards. So it's really accessible for today's use. It feels like this camera deserves a quick and snappy final word. So, the Panasonic Lumix DMC-LC50 is a retro relevant snap shooter. As a Leica, it's lame, but it gives you some options to create the image style you like. It has crappy ISO, but it does have some CCD. Vi ses!